Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to mute microphone on your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. To mute your microphone, simply press this function key on your computer. This one is also used to unmute your microphone. Besides, you can also do the same thing by going to Control Center, clicking Settings right here, then go into connected to a device, and then selecting audio, and here you'll find input section, your microphone. Here, if you click right here, you'll turn it off, and clicking it once again will turn it back on. Besides, you can also adjust the privacy settings to do pretty much the same thing. In privacy settings, we can go to privacy controls, and this allows the microphone access for our applications. You can also expand the list of applications and select which ones you want your microphone to be turned on in, and which ones you want to disallow usage of your microphone too. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.